Welcome to Kevin Frank channel. In today's video, I want us to discuss about proprietary firms. Alright, if you're a forex trader, you should know that prop firms are going crazy these days because most of them are moving from MT5, that is Meta Quotes platform, to a different trading platform. In this video, I will tell you why they are leaving and I also tell you a way forward. So don't go anywhere. When I come back from the break, we dive into the details of this video. Do not go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back, guys. I greet senior man, right? No be you, that guy way there behind you. We don't blow 19 different prop accounts. I greet you. You are doing your job. Alright, guys. This is the fact, okay? Meta Quotes is a platform for trading, alright? They are just a kind of third party. In Forex, we have broker, Meta Quotes, and the Forex market. So broker acts as intermediary between you and the market. So after broker, you get the main Forex market. So brokers give you the leverage that makes us retail traders trade the market. So Meta Quotes, they are just the platform that created MT5 and the MT4, which we use in placing those orders. They make it easier for us to press buy and press sell. That's the job of MT4 and MT5. We have other trading platforms like C traders, right? But MT5 and MT4, they are the most popular one. In fact, everybody knows about MT5 and MT4 because of their as easy accessibility and easy to use. So what's happening now is that Meta Quotes are telling prop firms to leave their platform. All prop firms, in fact, they told brokers that anything prop trading, that they don't want it. And the reason is simple. They don't want to get red flag because of scam activity. You know, regulations. Once you're not following rules and regulations, all right, you get banned. Just like what happened to MFF. MFF, they don't follow regulation. They trade account for people. They place trade for people. They have their own broker. They manipulate trade, a lot of spreads, and so many manipulations. Because of that, they got banned. So for MT5 and MT4 to be on a safer side, they had to filter all scams from their platform. That's what is happening now. The truth must be told, you understand? Because in US, everything is standard. That's why I like USA. Everything must be standard. Standard or nothing. So US don't allow their citizens to participate in non-regulated forex trades. Anything that is not regulated, that doesn't follow rules and regulations in USA, they don't do it. If you can remember, guys, Meta Quotes once kicked off Apple Store from their platform because they don't follow regulatory guidelines. So they kicked them out from the system because of this. But I think they are back, and the reason why they are back is this. Apple Store promised to follow regulatory guidelines strictly, and these guidelines must be the one suitable for US survey. So that's why US, they don't play with their citizens. Anything that is scam, remove it from our country, remove it from our citizens. That is why we are having challenges logging into our MT5 and MT4. Meta Quotes have sent prop firms packing. They are not following regulatory guidelines. Most of them place trades for human beings. Most of them manipulate. Most of them take traders out. Most of them cause a lot of manipulations behind the door. Truth must be told. A lot of scams happening there. So because of that, they are now switching to another platform for trading like C Trader. But even at that, it might not change anything because traders are already used to MT5 and MT4 kind of trading stocks, you understand? So to switch to C Trader is another whole ball game for them to start learning how to use that platform. And it's a big challenge in the industry. So this might lead to complete closure of prop trading because of this fear of what will happen next. Or probably if traders become used to C Trader platforms or other trading platforms, then the business continues. But we cannot hide the truth. And the truth is a lot of manipulations going on in prop business. Prop firm is just an establishment solely for selfish interest, if you ask me. It's just for a single interest. There's no prop firm out there that will tell you that they have you at heart, that you are their priority. No matter how they paint it, okay? The truth is that They want to make money from you. So see the game. The game is this. Instead of losing your money to the markets directly, come and lose the money to us. It's a business strategy, business model. Because they know that traders are constantly losing money in the forex industry. So they want it to be this way. This money these people are losing into this forex market. If they are losing it to us, we are big boys and big ballers. That's the business. No matter how the person shouts on the camera, yes, I brought this prof to help my people. I've seen that my people are in poverty, and that's why I created this prof account, so prof company, so that you people will come out from. It's a lie. He wants to make money, and enjoy, and fly from Dubai to Canada, from Canada to Australia, from Australia to London. I greet you, boss. I greet you. Now listen, there's something I want to tell you. Even if you should choose Profem, why choosing African-made Profem? One Profem came out the other time, consummate traders that consumed a lot of traders. Obviously, they were using Kwaku. Kwaku market. It's still in existence. Kwaku market. To God who made me, I know someone who had a very bad experience with this Profem. That's not a joke. A very serious bad experience with the Prophet. But what happens is that when you talk like this, people will just come. They will just come to your comment section, say a lot of things there. It doesn't make sense. The truth is shining. It's shining like a star. Now see Meta quote sending Prophet packing, and you, ordinary you, a Nigerian, you are seated somewhere. You are hoping. You are blaming Meta quote for doing that. You are laying curses on Meta quote. Why will Meta quote send Prophet packing? You now have sense more than them. They don't want to be banned also. If they continue harboring these scams, even in the midst of all this complaint about the activities happening in the Prophet, and they continue harboring them, they will get a red flag, and that's the end of Meta quote. Just like you created an app that helps traders to trade. So because of some other person's activity in the name of Prophet trading scam, then you get banned. Your app is destroyed. That is Meta quote is destroyed because of that kind of activity. Will you be happy? So I love it. I love it. If a Prophet is not following a regulatory guideline, they should go. Yes. They should find a place they can do their scam business. You understand? Carry your scam, carry your wahala, carry it and go another place. So right now, most pro firms are not yet back. Some people are complaining that they can't log into MT5. This is what is happening right now. Sanitization, cleansing and cleansing. They are cleansing everywhere. And I think from the day of that MFF crash, yeah, this cleansing just started. Like the forex markets, a lot of cleansing have started, and I'm happy about it. So that people will trade with good mind. At least you are coming into, you will not leave Ponzi scheme coming to trade forex. You enter another Ponzi scheme. You understand? Ponzi, you know that kind of Ponzi thing now. We left it long time ago. You now came into another serious Ponzi in the name of prop firm trading. FTMO is the only prop firm I recommend. I recommend FTMO as a prop firm. But the thing is this, even FTMO, they are using their own broker. They have their own broker, you understand? And then, obviously, they have the right to manipulate. But they are good because based on rating, at least they come first. They are highly ranked. So even if you must use a prop firm, if your life depends on a prop trading, look out for FTMO. I still recommend that. Even now, they are banning US citizens from using their services. And the reason is that they are afraid of the unknown. They are also afraid of the unknown because these people may come after them. If a US citizen complains of a scam activity, they will come and investigate them. You understand that kind of thing? So that's why it's okay. Since your country are too strict like this, your people are too strict, maintaining rules and regulation, I beg, you people should day your day. You understand? Just day. Let us go to Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana, Africans, and other countries where anything goes. You understand? So if you must use prop trading, just try FTMO. They are still good. And I have other recommendations. If you can check my subsequent videos, there are prop firms that are still good. But all said and done, all these things are business models. Good. I have an advice also as a help. You can move $100 account to a reasonable amount. I don't know how people see it these days. Nobody talks about trading $100, trading $200 account. I don't know why, but personally I do it. I move money gradually, consistently, and then I solve my problem with the money I make from the forex industry. Trading little account. But today, nobody does that. Everybody wants to hammer, make $30,000, make $5,000. Greed. Greed. It's because of that greed. That's what is pushing us into prop trading. Nobody's talking about trading little amount, moving it to a reasonable amount. You can do it with your risk management. In my next video, make sure you watch it, guys. I want to show you how I trade Forex, how I manage risk, how I make money from the market, how you'll be able to move that little money to a reasonable money. You withdraw, you keep making it that way. In a month, you will always be in profit with my kind of trading strategy. Now, the last, for those that are doubting if I'm trading or whatever story, because I see a lot of comments out there, you can check out my Telegram community. I trade Forex. The link to my Telegram is in the description box. What you need to do is go there, back test, track records from the point we sent a trade setup and the end point. You will see results. It is there. So no two ways about it. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay? While we hope that all this saga, all this moving around, moving from meta quotes to another trading platform, will all be rectified. We are still praying that, but we are all used to MT5, MT5, MT4. That thing is so sweet. MT5, they are not broker. They are not broker. They are just a trading platform. They are connected to brokers. So brokers use them to execute trade. You understand? This is just an explanation of what it is. Broker is the main leverage provider. They are the ones standing between us and the Forex market. So MT5 is just like an app created by meta quotes industry. So they own meta quotes owns MT5 and MT4. So those guys, they don't want anything that will spoil their app and their business. Okay, if you have a scam, don't bring your scam into our app, into our system. That is the thing. Follow regulatory guidelines. Follow it. Okay. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like this video, share the video if you want somebody to be liberated today. I love you guys. See you next time. Peace out.